Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily instantly switch between user accounts in WordPress. So what you want to do is just click here to plugins, and when you're in plugins you want to click on add new, and in search plugins you want to write user switching. Now when you got it, you will have it here. Let's click install now and then activate it. Now when you got it, I'm going to see it right here, and when I click on users, you can easily switch to different user. Really simple, really easy, and this is how we do it, right? So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and yeah, thank you. See ya and goodbye.